Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're looking at the original Prusa XL5 toolhead multi-material large-format CoreXY 3D printer, one of the most ambitious multi-material desktop 3D printing systems out there. If you want to check out the original Prusa XL5 toolhead, the product is linked in the description. The feature that immediately separates the XL from conventional multicolor printers is right there in the name: 5 independent toolheads. Instead of constantly switching filament through a single nozzle, the Prusa XL can have different materials or colors assigned to separate tools. The printer then changes tools depending on what the model requires. That approach can be particularly interesting for multi-material printing because each toolhead can be configured for a specific filament. You could have different colors loaded, or even use different material types for different sections of a model. The XL is also a large-format CoreXY printer, so you're not dealing with a small desktop build area. The platform is designed for large models, functional components, and engineering prototypes. If you're considering the original Prusa XL5 toolhead, the product is linked in the description, so you can check the current listing and configuration options. One of the biggest advantages of the 5 toolhead approach is the potential reduction in the material waste normally associated with multi-material printing. Traditional systems often need to purge one filament before introducing another. With dedicated toolheads, the printer can select the tool containing the material it needs. That doesn't mean there is zero waste in every situation, but it is one of the most interesting engineering decisions behind the XL. Another major benefit is flexibility. Imagine printing a functional component where one section needs a rigid engineering material, another needs a different material, and a third section requires a flexible component. A 5 toolhead system gives you far more possibilities than a basic single extruder printer. The large format design also makes the XL interesting for prototyping. Instead of constantly splitting a large design into multiple smaller parts, you have considerably more freedom to produce larger components in fewer pieces. But here's the big question. Do you actually need 5 toolheads? Or is this extreme overkill for most makers? For simple single-color PLA models, absolutely not. A much simpler printer can handle that job. The real value of the Prusa XL appears when you're working with complex multi-material models, engineering prototypes, large parts, or professional workflows. If you want to explore the original Prusa XL5 toolhead multi-material 3D printer, the product is linked in the description. This is also a very different type of purchase from a typical beginner printer. You're buying into a professional-oriented platform where the flexibility of the tool-changing architecture is arguably more important than simply chasing maximum print speed. So, is the Prusa XL the ultimate multi-material 3D printer, or is 5 toolhead printing simply too much for everyday makers? For the right user, the ability to combine multiple materials and colors in large-format prints is extremely compelling. If you enjoyed this review, subscribe for more 3D printer reviews, comparisons, and professional equipment guides. And remember, the product is linked in the description if you want to check out the original Prusa XL5 toolhead.